Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about a new tool that helps to save your hands from hard work. It's I know that founders, experts, people who work at the computer spends hours, like I do spend around 9 hours a day, typing in. And I hate it. I haven't learned blind typing, which is my fault. I know I'm lazy, but don't type, just speak. Effortless voice dictation in every application, 4 times faster than you type in, AI commands and auto edits. You have to download this application. It gives you 2 weeks trial. And I got lots of comments on my Facebook from folks that probably are new to my channel. I never sell anything, especially if I do not share with you a special link. But here, it's not advertising. I'm just exploring the same as you do, but I'm just saving your time and trying to experience the tool and bring it up to YouTube so you can watch it and decide whether you like it or not. It's called with Spurflow.ai. You download it, you do setup. It's super easy setup. I really liked the onboarding of the desktop version and mobile version. The onboarding is so smooth for all the developers and SaaS companies. It's a really high level for onboarding. You just check how these guys did it and take it as example. Then what's happening? You have a FN button on your keyboard, which is on the left down line. Okay, it has the sign of the earth and it says FN. Then what you do, and we're gonna check it, open GPT. I know that GPT has the option dictate. That's different. That's just different. And plus, it switches between languages quickly. I will say something in Russian now, and you will see, and then I can say in English also, and then you can see how it comes up. So you have to put a cursor here. And then you press FN, and you say something. Привет, как дела? Построим мне приложение для маркетологов номер 1. Give me the prompt for marketers to create application number 1. Okay, it actually didn't come up with the English version. Give me the tool, give me the prompt for Vibe coding platform to create application for marketers. Okay, now it came up. Usually it comes from the first time, and GPT works itself. I just need a prompt. Okay, it gave me the idea. Now I can switch to actually building app Base44. There are lots of them that I really love. And test again Whisperflow. Build an application for marketers. Your targeted audience is CMO. Build something for advertising with benchmark, with funnels, with ideas for ads. This is it. This is it. It just came up so quickly. And then one click and you have an app. Okay. Create a birthday party checklist for 38 years old woman of Barcelona. You can do it. You can do even better. If you have Gemini and pay the Google services, you could type generate a document, then press FN. Planning document to launch new birthday party for 38 years old woman in Barcelona. Okay, create. This is it. It has it. The concept, the time, everything. The change even concept and theme to blah blah blah. Okay, add an information. Yes, you see, you can fix it. So, any idea you have, you can bring it up. Create an online dashboard of Belarusian population. Sign up. And then also what we can do, creating a post. Watch this. Hey everyone, today I want to share with you a new video about the tool that helps you never touch the keyboard and always be using your voice instead of boring typing. This is it. You also can use it on your phone. Let's show you. Because you download it to your phone, open, and for WhatsApp, for example, I just say, Gracias, Cristina. Oh, it's not the one. Gracias, Cristina. What it came up with? Gracias, Cristina. This is it. You just send a message. So here, phone. Hi, thank you so much, Stephanie. I'll get back to you shortly. This is it, and it's done. It's just done in seconds. That's amazing! I really love it. You can download it, set up really quickly. I will definitely subscribe because I'll get it used to not typing stuff, especially when you do messaging and you do not need to structure your beautiful message on email. Sometimes if you use probably a normal. Thank you so much for watching the video. To likes, comments, shares, and questions. Bye.